Hey, what's up XRP holders? So this is the live price prediction of XRP, and today this video is very important because my brother, if you watch my previous video about XRP, so definitely this video is very important for you, because in my previous video I already predicted this coin, but absolutely in this video I have very special information and update. In my previous video I already told you, my brother, to in upcoming time the price of XRP will fails down, because everybody knows this, to in the start of month every coin will fails down. So therefore, my brother, the price, there is a 70% chance, my brothers, the price will fails down. But don't worry, after a fails, absolutely every coin will take a very huge jump and starting moving upward. So therefore I hope and I expect this, my brother, from XRP to the price will be increasing now. So what's your expectation? Kindly share now, and I am 100% sure to the price will be increasing in upcoming days. So kindly holder, if you also, my friend, a trust on XRP, so I hope you will never starting selling. And be kindly holders, if you starting selling, so definitely the price will fails down. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and please wait for the end of month or wait for the mid of month. I hope the price will be going double now. So please my viewers, my subscriber, if you are new my channel now, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and videos. Yes, my brother, my opinion is for all of you to please hold. And what's your opinion? This is very important for everyone, every holder, because if you research, my friends, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere, that's a very good. So now kindly share your opinion in a comment box. All right, so my brother, there is a chances to in the mid of month, my brother, the price will hit go up into $2. So kindly you will need to stop selling and holding now. Thanks for watching, my viewers, my subscriber. Please do this. I hope I will give you guarantee to you will never lose. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.